Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on creative courses with Domestika, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Domestika website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Explore the extensive course catalog available on the platform. Filter courses based on your interests, such as graphic design, photography, or crafts. Check for discounts or ongoing promotions on specific courses. Utilize the search bar to find specific subjects or instructors. Look for bundles or packages that offer multiple courses at a discounted rate. Set up alerts for your favorite courses so you get notified when prices drop. Consider joining Domestika's newsletter for exclusive offers and updates. Participate in community discussions or forums to get recommendations on budget-friendly courses. Visit the platform regularly, as prices often fluctuate. Take advantage of any free courses offered to familiarize yourself with the platform. If you're a student, check for any discounts available specifically for educational purposes. Leverage social media for promotional codes or offers that may not be listed on the website. Engage with creators and instructors to get insights on when their courses might be on sale. Plan your learning schedule to take advantage of course promotions during special events or holidays. By following these strategies, you can effectively save on creative courses with Domestika. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.